Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over JASMY. So right now, JASMY is trading at 0.005423. I love seeing JASMY in the green. In 24 hours, we're up 293%, and market cap, we're up 6.20%. Sorry, my nose is itchy. Heading over to our weekly chart here, you guys, we can see on our weekly chart 2 more days, the end of today and the end of tomorrow. Then we're going to close up for this candlestick. But essentially in the RSI, we are considered to be oversold incredibly at 0% for our K line, and our D line is at 1%. I know these numbers don't really mean a whole lot, but what we are essentially looking for is that crossover to get us that buying opportunity. And again, the accumulation phase that we want. We want JASMY in that really good number where it's attractive for all audiences and especially our whales to buy into JASMY, so we get that initial pump. If we take a look again, the candlestick body itself was striving at the very top here, noticing that there's a lot of buyer interest in this week so far. However, we did drop at least a low of 4805 here, which could be alarming because a lot of people are waiting for JASMY again to get that comfortable number, or we're doing a lot of swing trades in the day here for JASMY. We could see on the MACD indicator here, we are getting smaller in these histograms, and eventually it is going to cross over for this incredibly bear market for JASMY itself. Let's head over to our daily chart. I don't know why my nose is itchy. I'm sorry. Let's head over to the daily chart here. We can see again in today's session itself, the body of the candlestick is at the very bottom. Again, the impulse of the buyers pushing the price as high as we can. And take a look at this in this channel here where we essentially broke through. We're essentially going to try to come back into the channel here of this descending corridor. So again, we're going hitting resistance, coming down to an area of support, resistance, support, and ultimately we broke it through, coming down with an expansion of our Bollinger Band, meaning higher volatility. It's going to move fairly quickly here for the price itself. But what we can see here is a retest of our 20 moving average, which again is a good game changer because whenever we retest it, it is going to ultimately break and change the direction and change the trend of any type of coin that we're looking at or any type of stock that we're looking at. So this is a good sign that we came up and retested it. However, of course, people are going to take advantage and sell off as JASMY because of the fall itself, what we found on October 10th. Now we can take a look here of the previous candlestick that we got at the very bottom here, initiated a buying opportunity, and we see this huge volume at 956 million so far of the trades compared to yesterday at 222 million. So it's skyrocketed, and again, buying pressure. So let's head over, or before we do that, we can see the MACD indicator here. Again, pretty good. If it is dying down in the red and it is going to go over to the green, it is only going to give us a jump start of hopefully retesting the 20 MA and actually coming back into this channel itself. Heading over now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see the impulse here on a 4-hour, 1.377 billion trades in that 4-hour time frame, broke through our 20 moving average and essentially was considered to be overbought here. We can see the RSI itself showed weakness in that selling pressure because normally whenever we are overbought, it is actually over the 80% threshold, but we were short at 75%. So now what does show to me, or lets me know, there is some weakness of the buying pressure for JASMY, and it didn't consider it to be overbought here at the 80%. Now, as we can see here, as the price is retracing downwards, because when we're considered to be overbought, price is going to correct itself and the market's going to correct itself and it's going to come back down. We can see that the MACD indicator opened up more of a green bars, which is great to have that momentum. However, instantly coming back down already. We can see here lightness of the bars, lightness in the color, and most importantly, these two lines here, our signal line and our MACD line, are coming closer together, meaning momentum is coming down and the peak of this bull rally may soon be over. Here is going to be a test if price does come back down at 61% of our fib at 52585 is going to be a retest of our support of our 20 moving average, because if price does break through our 20 moving average, then it's going to come back to an area of support that we saw a few hours yesterday, or sorry, a few hours in October 14th, coming down to 50558. So if we're not going to be holding this area of support at 61% of our fib, then most likely price is going to retrace back down to the area where we were able to hold of an area of support. So that is my outlook. That's my video insight for JASMY. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button to help my community help my growth of my channel, and subscribe if you're new. But I'll see you guys next time.